Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. On your PipeWorx 400, memory buttons 1 through 4 are locations for storing weld process settings for easy access to retrieve a saved weld joint configuration. Press and release these buttons to recall stored unit configuration settings. Only one memory location can be active during unit operation. The number next to the button illuminates to indicate the active memory location. Pressing and holding a memory location button for more than 2 seconds will restore factory default settings for the current weld process to that identified memory location. Unit configuration settings are automatically saved to the active memory location 1 second after any change is made to any of the front panel controls. This feature allows the unit to remember an operator's preferred settings. These settings can be recalled at any time by selecting the appropriate memory location and process or feeder side. By selecting a process such as stick, TIG, MIG left side of feeder, or MIG right side of feeder, there will be 4 memory locations available for each process.